want to tell you something again. I listen me good. You want to write this down? Understand? When girl want body, if you are work, stop work. If you are study, stop study. Yo, you hear me, man? Whoa! Me not done tell you now. You want me to tell you say now? Y'all fi beg, skin them up on the send it on deep and make it real and beg. Y'all fi beg. Instructions time. This is what you gotta do now. Make you pop out every shine I hear from out of your head. Crab up your back and go on like a hey. Hey. You don't know what I do with me now. Cause me work till a man, you don't know about to come home. Bouncy low, stop it. Yo, listen to me now, man. Listen to me and listen to me good. I love what I do. Can you tell? Yeah. I'm in love different. So, if you don't fall in love, me can't get no work. So, you want me to tell you to say? You want me to tell you to say, no, man, I never ever give advice that I do not use. You see, when you find somebody and somebody look like them a fear, no left in careless. That's our first instructions.